For the past few updates of Adobe XD, we've continued to improve on our symbol workflow, and this one is no exception. We now have support for previewing linked symbols on the design canvas before you accept them into the target document. Let me give you a quick look at this capability in action. I'm working with two documents here. I have a linked symbol library here on the right-hand side, and I'm bringing these symbols over into my active project here on the left. So I'm going to come in and select one of the symbols I have here, and I'm just going to copy it onto the clipboard. I'll switch back over to that destination document, and I'm going to select all of these artboards and paste that new symbol into place. That looks pretty good, but I want to make an edit now. So I'm going to swing back to that first document, and I'll come on in and change some pretty obvious details here just to make my point. I'm going to go to the fill color and select, let's just say, a nicer shade of blue. And I'm actually going to come in and resize the container that this text sits inside of, just to illustrate my point. Now, because both of these documents are cloud documents, I don't have to worry about keeping them in sync or saving out the source document. It'll automatically save in the background. And when I switch back to my target document, I get a notification that one of the symbols I'm working with has been updated. I see that here in the symbol icon here, that little blue dot. If I click to bring up the Assets panel, I can see that in the Symbols area, there's indeed a symbol that's been updated. If I roll over the icon that indicates that the symbol's been updated, I not only get a preview of that change in the Symbols panel, but I now get a real-time update to the actual symbols in my design on the design canvas here towards the right. Well, that's just a quick look at the improvements we've made to this feature. I encourage you to give it a try.